After about 9 or 10 o'clock up until about 1 this afternoon, we're going to have periods of rain coming through. After that, not as bad. Storm Tracker 6 live double scan shows you that right now there are a couple of spots of precipitation. It looks like showers down along the coast have now cleared the coast, so wet roads should be drying out there before too much longer. But that area up north, we have had an issue. Allentown's starting to dry out now, as is Easton, but notice how we do have that area of blue just to the north and east of Easton. And in Northampton County and Ports North and east, there is the chance of some freezing rain. And even though you're drying out right now, check out that extra little blip coming into the left-hand portion of your screen around Lebanon. Any little blip of precipitation like that heading up into Northampton County between now and about 10 o'clock could freeze up on roads, so do be careful. Same goes for the Poconos. Stepping outside, we got cloudy skies across the region. At the airport, haven't had a lot of rain so far, so that's good. And temperatures are mild. Currently 41 degrees in Philadelphia. Your winds light out of the north at 5 miles per hour, and most of the area is in the mid-30s up north around the Lehigh Valley, but in the 40-degree range closer to Philadelphia and points south. So mild this morning. There's the rain that came through earlier. There is another batch coming in from the west by about 9, 10 o'clock this morning. And between about 9 and 11 up until about 12 to 1, you are going to have periods of rain across most of the region. Every now and then there's a steady cell, but then you can see how during the afternoon things get better and we start to dry out. At the same time, the numbers go up. 49 degrees by 10, 54 by noon, probably still a little damp around here, but if you have plans to head out this afternoon, you're probably largely dry by 3 o'clock, and we're going to get a high of 60 and still hold close to 60 by 6 o'clock. So a really good afternoon. Lots of clouds, but really mild for this time of year. We'll only hit about 50 in Allentown, but there you see those low 60s and highs close to it as we head through the I-95 corridor down toward the shore. And then tomorrow, 63 degrees, a record-tying high with clouds, some sun. The problem is that a cold front is pushing away from us, and at night, colder air is going to roar back into the region. We'll get into the 30s. And the next precipitation looks like it's very quickly going to be snow. By 4:30 in the morning, we'll have snow just about everywhere across the region. It does look like this filters off the coast by about 1 o'clock, but in the meantime, there is the chance of some accumulation. Now, the latest models are suggesting anywhere from about maybe 3 inches up to about 5 inches in Philadelphia. This may be overselling it a little bit. We're thinking more along the lines of 1 to 3, but it could go a little higher than that. And again, that is overnight Thursday and through Thursday morning. Cloudy with rain at times today. A high of 60, 63 with that snow arriving at night on Wednesday, the 63 in the afternoon, but temperatures crashing overnight to 34. And then Thursday, just 35 degrees with snow in the morning. Now, because we've been so mild these 2 days, it's possible that that snow will have a hard time initially sticking to road surfaces, but I'd still look out for some slippery conditions potentially on Thursday morning up until about midday. And then we got a couple of days where we're in the mid-30s. Saturday back up to 49. And then 52 on Sunday. Mother Nature obviously a little bit confused this February.
Or maybe we are.